I'm Simon Murray, founder of MaximoLive. We're at the Sofitel Darling Harbour, amazing 5-star venue. The sponsors for MaximoLive have been absolutely tremendous. Everyone has brought their A game.
It's about time, to be honest. We've had the user groups going on for a little while, so having a dedicated event for Maximo and Tririga users is great.
It's got to be a place for Maximo users to come together and talk about asset care. It's nice to see the look on everyone's faces that we've done something good.
What I really enjoyed about this MaximoLive is all of the presentations about moving to the application suite. I'm going to be excited to come down and talk again to all of our customers here.
A great group of people who are Maximo users. MaximoLive's been fabulous.
We've got salespeople, we've got implementers, we've got consultants, and we've actually got the frontline workers who are using the software day to day.
I'm quite impressed in terms of how it's gone. The opportunity to speak on the main stage is obviously nerve-wracking, but also very enjoyable at the end of it as well.
The amount of interaction and conversation, it's just a lot of good energy here. We can bring customers in who are in the same field and share their experiences.
What you all have done here with MaximoLive brings a bigger forum for 2 days in which I can have a wider set of topics.
Everyone's focused around Maximo, the products, the capabilities, what we're bringing to market. There's so much noise in the room, it's just great.
One of the things that people enjoy at MaximoLive is hearing the customer story. To actually hear what Royal Melbourne Hospital have done resonated with lots of people.
This is great. You know, it'd be wonderful if we could have this more often. You're able to bring fellow team members along when it's local. It's a wonderful experience.
Next year, MaximoLive is moving to Melbourne. It's going to be bigger and better.
MaximoLive!